Hello, my scrappy peeps. Today we're going to talk about the new options that Creative Memory has come out for beginners. And what this is, it's like um, the Noteworthy, where they come out with a page every month for you to add. And at the end of the year, you get 12 two-page layouts and you completed your album. This year, they've added where you can choose from 3 options. So one of them is on the bright side. And you can see it's more teenagey, more modern. The second option is nature, natural beginning. Okay. And again, every page that comes out every month will match these colors, and you have an album that you can put into them. This one is the Global Getaway. I really like this one because now that I'm retired, we travel a lot. So if I have gone on a vacation in the past and everything's on my phone and I can't share it with anybody, now I have a monthly page that I can add my photos and document my trip and be able to share it with my family. So there's the 3 options: Global Getaway, Natural Beginnings, and On the Bright Side. I'm going to start with this one, and I will put the finished layout, post it. So here you go. You get your directions, and you have your example to follow. So these will be your background paper, okay? And it's pretty. I like the green and the pages, okay? But then you have your cutout sheet, which looks funny on this side, but these are your directions that you would cut out. And then you have your embellishments that you can add to your page. Okay. So this way, again, number one, if you are just beginner, it's easy to follow the directions, and every month I can help you and guide you. So you would be able to do this 2-page layout. And look, it can hold 1, 3, 6, 7, 8 photos. It has a little embellishment there and a little journaling there. So 8 photos already, and you can document your trip. I will put this together and post the page. But again, this, if I choose Global Getaway, I will get 12 months of double pages that will match this design. And you will get to pick your album. And at the end of the year, you will have your complete album completed. Okay? So hope that helps. These are new this year. So hope if you have any questions, you know what to do. Bye bye.